In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem a Google Play gift card on iPhone. Let's get started. Since iPhones don't have the Google Play Store app, you'll need to redeem your gift cards via web browser instead. So launch your preferred browser, type in play.google.com and visit the official Google Play website. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed into the Google account where you want to redeem the gift card. If you are not already signed in, enter your Google account email address and password to continue. After signing in, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap Payments and Subscriptions to open your account's payment settings. Once you are on Payments and Subscriptions page, make sure you are viewing the payment method section. Scroll down until you find the Redeem option. If you don't see it immediately, try zooming out or scrolling further down the page, as the mobile website layout may vary slightly depending on your device. Next, tap Redeem to open the redemption page. You'll be prompted to enter your Google Play gift card code or promo code. Carefully scratch off the protective coating on the back of your gift card if necessary. Then type the code exactly as it appears. Double check that you have entered the code correctly to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the code, tap the Redeem button to submit it. If the code is valid, Google will add the gift card balance to your Google Pay account, and you will see a confirmation message showing that the redemption was successful. And that's it. This way you can easily redeem Google Pay gift card on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.